Welcome to TJ Militaria. Today I'm going to show you a very rare find, which is the British Army lightweight tent. Now these were very limited amounts were made, and this was at the very last few months of the actual Second World War, sort of 1945. Now there's very limited detail of these tents online. However, I do have a copy of the actual tent specifications from the Army Manual of Tentage. So yeah, so it was a lightweight tent. As you can see, what makes it interesting is it's actually camouflage. Now, as you know, the British didn't really use camouflage. Now, putting this tent up is pretty nice and easy, and it took me, what, 5-10 minutes and to secure it all down. So looking at it, you can see it's got quite a unique Second World War type camouflage pattern on there. Going around the tent, you can see it's in impeccable condition. Now there are a few small repairs that have been made, and there are a few age related wearing rubs which are easily repaired. For the age of the tent and the rarity of the tent, I think it's a spectacular example of what I believe is one of the airborne type tents that the British Army used. As you can see, it's got plenty of guy ropes. It's nice and compact. It's almost like the lightweight sort of two officer tent that was actually used in the Second World War. Now, finding this tent has taken me a long time to find. So what I'm actually looking for is any information anybody can actually help me with to actually put more dates and more specifications to the actual tent, because like I say, I've searched on YouTube. I have not found anything on there. I've carried out some internet searches and a couple of forums, and the tents were around, but to actually find one in actually working condition and in such good condition is very rare. So more importantly, it's about getting kit that was used by the British soldiers in the Second World War online and kept. Selling the items actually secondary to actually wanting people to actually be able to remember what these tents were used for, and to use any information that we could put online as a way of researching the actual pieces of kit. So I'm not going to go on too long for this, because I'd like to actually do something with it again later on. But if anybody's got any information or pictures, please could you drop them in the link below or contact me, and we'll see where we can go with it. So once again, I thank everybody for coming to my site, and if you like my content, I'd like if you could subscribe and visit my website when you get time. So once again, looking at that, that is a beautiful piece of kit, absolutely exceptional. So thank you very much, and I'll see you at the next video.